Hello hobby gardeners, farmers and DIY lovers. This is your boy I.am.Will. I'm here with Jason and he's also introducing his book. I want to tell us something about your book, Jason.
Yeah, so my book's about a young boy that gets involved in drugs, gun crime and gangsterism and the tribulations of how he faces to get out of it. It's called There's No Room for Jugglers in My Circus, and I'm very keen to see how these pallets are going to be made into your garden as well.
So the guys at Wickes were nice enough to spare me a couple of pallets, as you can see here, and I'm going to show you how you can create really cool stuff with pallets. And what I'm going to be doing with my pallets is to build raised beds. So I'm going to show you how to build raised beds using pallets. So don't throw them away. So these are going to form the base of my raised beds, and because the ends are a bit damaged, I'm going to cut the ends off. So I'm going to be cutting these to the length of a meter, which is 100 centimeters, and then join them together to get the length that I'm looking for. I'm looking for 3 meters, which is about 300 centimeters. So I'm going to cut all of these into 1 meter and then join them together to get what I am looking for. Alright, so I finished cutting up. These are 6 in total, and they're going to serve as the longer side of the raised beds. It's 100 centimeter each, and these are I think about 70 centimeters each, and they are going to serve as the shorter side of the raised beds, and these are going to be the joiners. So they're going to join these together to give me 300 centimeters. Now the boards are done, cut to the right dimensions or measurements you need. The next stage is to nail it together. If you like, you can put a bit of color protection on it. It would make your construction look a bit nicer and also make your wood last a bit longer. So it's all up to you. So with regards to building raised beds out of pallets, your construction is complete. But I'm going to add one more perk to it to make your construction look even nicer, which is to put a frame around the edges of your raised beds. Alright, now that your raised beds are done, give it a bit of color protection against bad weather conditions and also possible wood termites. Just give it a bit of life in your garden. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment, and also hit the notification button to get new updates. For the next video, I'm going to show you how I built my garden fence using wood scraps and pallets. Until I see you again in the next video, I am Will, and I am out.